Now from there, we can just reinstall the tail light. So to install your tail light, just take your little plug there. Hopefully you got a little dielectric grease there. Dielectric grease is non-conductive grease. When the metal makes contact, it will conduct. However, if moisture gets in there, well, the dielectric grease keeps the moisture out, and it keeps the electrical current from arcing through the grease, because most grease is conductive. So that's kind of like having water in there. So, a little dab of that in there. And just plug that in until it clicks. Make sure you have it positioned the correct way. That way it plugs in. Nope, you hit it right the first time. It's like a USB port. Oh. Goes into the bottom one, not the top one. Bottom one. There you go. Gotta be smart in the plug. That was where I came up short. Then you can just scoot your tail light in place there. Take your 2 Phillips screws that hopefully you did not lose, and get each one of them started in there. Remember, in this case, and really all cases, you always want to get all the fasteners started in before you tighten any of them down. Keeps things from going crooked and binding up. It ensures you get the proper torque spec on everything. There we are. Now we're going to check that tail light to be sure. Got our tail light right there. All looks good. Front brake, which means it works, but for good measure, rear brake lever. All right. So there you have it. Your layback plate mount and turn signal relocation has been mounted on there. Now it's nice and clear to put your saddlebags on there. And all you gotta do from here is put your license plate on there. So let's move over to this side, and we're gonna line up our saddlebags. So this is gonna require a small Phillips screwdriver. And this should just pop right off of there. Take your screws out, put those in a safe location where you won't lose them. And the seal might be stuck a little bit, so peel with care. All right, we are good. So if you want, you can unplug the turns or the tail light by pressing that little tab down and sliding the tail light right on out of there. I'm sorry, the little tab is on the bottom there. There's a little tab there, it was on the bottom. Press that up with your fingernail.